Right, another great thing in this, if we go to music, we'll see there, just got the chain there, click the chain on, we'll just turn it down, and then if I go to auxiliary, now the first press of auxiliary, it's come up the chain, Fleetwood Mac, that's the one. However, there's a possibility you've had something else like line in or USB, so you may have to click the auxiliary button up to 3 times till you see the tune playing. And we'll just turn it up now. Hang on, I'll turn that up. So turn that up to a reasonable volume, then we'll turn this up. So good sound system. I won't leave it on too long because it's against copyright rules. So that's it. That's how you use the system. It's brilliant, it's easy to use, and as you'd expect, nothing less from Ford, to be honest.